Hi, you guys. It's that time of day again. Magic and science with Grandpa. Today it's going to be science, and I'm going to show you something called a Cartesian diver. It's named after famous mathematician Rene Descartes, who was a mathematician and a philosopher. In fact, Grandpa studied him in college. But what he really talks about is not exactly what we think invented this. But what I have is I've got a container full of water, and I have an eyedropper. You can kind of see it. It's floating at the top that has mostly water and a little bit of air in it. And what this shows is that when Grandpa squeezes this container, the air inside that dropper starts to compress and more water goes in it, and that makes it denser. And when something's denser, it doesn't float as well. And you're going to see when I squeeze this container, which is made out of plastic, that eyedropper is going to go to the bottom because it's denser. And when I release the pressure, that compressed air that's inside that dropper that's squeezed is going to expand and push some of the water out of that eyedropper. It's going to float again. And this is something you can do at home, but you have to have your mom and dad or grandma and grandpa help you when you're doing this particular thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do it, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. Watch the eyedropper. Look at it. You see that? It's going to the bottom. Now watch what happens when I let go of the pressure. It came back to the top. How does that work? Science. And remember, I love you, Monroe. And I love you, Marcus. And I love you, Hugo. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Magic or science? I don't even know yet myself. Love you.